Hello friends, and welcome to today's video. In this video we are going to look at one of the best offline player and music downloader for both iPhone and iPad. As usual, this channel is all about dropshipping, coding tutorial, and general tech tips and tricks. So if you are new to this channel, I would like to first of all invite you to kindly click on the subscribe button to subscribe to the channel, and also don't forget to turn on the bell icon in order not to miss any further video update from this channel. Alright friends, so without wasting much time, let me dive straight into the video. Alright, this app is a free app on the Apple Store, so there's no need for any tweak before you can install this app. All what you need to do is to go to your App Store. Once you open the App Store, you then go to the search. Once you open the App Store, you come to the search and search for eSound. So you take the first link and then you will be displayed with the app. This is the app. You can click on the app and then go down and read about the app. You go down and read about the app to see what the app has to offer for you. Then you can come down and see some of the reviews about this app, and also you can look for the requirements of the app below the page. So once you are satisfied with the app, then you come on top, you will see the get button. You click on it. I've already installed the app, so in your case you have to install the app first and then click on the open button. So once you open the app for the first time, you will need to register. You can register using your email or using Facebook profile. So in my case, I already have an account, so I'm going to log in. Alright, I enter my email and my password. Alright, now I'm logged into the app. So this is the app interface. Once I'm here, I can scroll down and see the app's interface, and then let's say I have a music that I want to download. I can just come to the search button down there and then tap on top and then type the name of the music or the artist. I click on the enter key and then I will be displaying with all the musics. As you can see, this is the artist. And the good thing about this app is that once the app couldn't find the video or the music you are in need of, you will see the option to search for this music on YouTube. And this is a great feature of an app because YouTube contains almost all the musics, and then you can download it straight from there. So as you can see, these are the search results. Now you scroll down and look for the one you want and then click on it. Let's say I'm going to download this one. I click on it and then it will open the music. Alright, so as you can see, this is the music. Once it opens, you can see the offline download button. You click on it and it will start to download the music. Once it's downloaded and finished, you can locate it under the library and then you can play everything offline. Alright, now the app has finished downloading, and when you come to the library, you will see it and then you can play it from there. Alright friends, this is just a short video on this. I don't want to prolong things. I hope you find this video helpful. If you do, don't forget to subscribe to the channel, hit the like button to like the video, and I will see you in the next video. Thank you for watching. Have a nice day. Bye.